What's up, guys? Lashondacapri here, and as you can already tell by the look of my face and the title of this video, I'm here to show you how to do a quick beat using no foundation. Yes, it's possible. As a mom, sometimes I do not have time to do a full beat on my face. Sometimes I need to hurry up and go, especially if my kids have like a doctor's appointment or an eye appointment or any such. I need to hurry up and beat my face, or I need to hurry up and like do something that doesn't take up a lot of time. And most of the time I do this look without using any foundation. It's quick, easy, you'll get out the door fast. Before I get into it, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on the Riggle bell so you're not missing any notifications from me, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed, guys. Subscribe. It is Vlogmas day 2, so I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting any longer. Let's hurry up and jump into this video. First, what I like to do before I even put any makeup on my face, I like to wash my face. So make sure you have a fresh, clean face before applying makeup. That is very important, guys. Also, once I wash my face and everything, I like to use some rose hip oil. I don't know if you guys can see that, and some vitamin C. And I just put a little bit goes a long ways with this, guys. So I just put a little bit, and I just put some in between the cracks of my nose, and then I just rub it in. Okay, next what I like to do is I like to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I always do my eyebrows first, whether I'm doing a quick beat or whether I'm doing no foundations. I always do my eyebrows first, but I also make sure that I don't be dramatic with my eyebrows, especially if you're rushing, like you don't have time to do your eyebrows like to a full beat. So what I do is I just brush out my eyebrows. And I just go in and I just lightly feel. To do is I like to go ahead and move over to concealing my eyebrows a little bit, just a tad bit. You know, I'm not gonna conceal them all the way around like I usually do, like I would normally do. I'm just gonna do it just a tad. So I just take my concealer, and my concealer already has a little brush on it, and I go in and I just conceal the bottom. Like when you're in a rush and you got 2 kids, this is what I like to do. So then I go in with my little brush to like blend this in and conceal a little bit. Quick, and then later I'll get all this extra excess later. You can blend it with the brush if you want, but I usually go back in later and conceal it. I mean, not conceal it, I usually go back and blend in a little bit more. But you can do it however way you want. There's no rules to makeup, guys. You do your face how you want to do your face. I'm just showing you what is quick for me. To do a quick beat with no foundation when I'm trying to get out the door. Next, I am going to contour the spots that I want to contour. So I just like to do something simple. So I just do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And a little here, I conceal a little bit here, down my nose just a little bit. And that's it, guys. I just do that, and then I take a beauty blender and I start blending. I like to take another brush and I just like to blend it in to make sure that I got it in. Then after that, you know, this is very optional. I do put on a little bit of blush, but before I get into the blush, I do take a little bit of finishing powder and I just put a little bit on my thing and I don't let it sit. I just go ahead and dab it in there. I just dab it in there and then I go back in with my brush and then I just rub it into my face. Because even though I ain't got no foundation on, I still want to set in that concealer a little bit. And then I go in and I do a little bit of mascara. Extra couple minutes, you can go and do your bottom lash, but I'm not gonna do my bottom lash in this video because I don't have time. This is how I would do my makeup quickly. Okay. Next, I go in with a little bit of blush. Just a little bit. We're just gonna do it a little bit. Just dab it a little tiny bit and we're just gonna add a little bit of blush. Yeah. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. Other side, a little bit. A little bit of blush, and that's it. That is it. Bam, ladies. And then if you want to top it off, because sometimes I don't put on any lipstick or chapstick, I just grab a little bit of coconut oil. Rub that on my lips. Use a little bit of setting spray. And that is it. This is how I hurry up and get out the door. No foundation at all. Flawless, a little bit of blush. And you're out the door, ladies. Like, that's all. You do not need a full bead to look presentable or to look cute or to feel cute, especially if you got kids. If you just want to look good for, you know, running errands, do something quick. You don't have to beat your whole face. You don't. Like, this is it. Like, look at that. Look at this. No foundation, no eyeshadow, just concealer and a little bit of gloss and blush. So If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you share this video. And make sure you turn on the ringer bell so you are not missing any videos from me and you will get that little notification. And like I always say, guys, until my next video, I will see you guys later. Peace out.